Hola, my name is Paloma Cervantes. I am a curandera or a Mexican shaman. I practice curanderismo. And if we translate that word into English, well, curanderismo comes from the word curar, and if we translate that in English, that is to heal. So I am a Mexican healer. And I have been practicing this forever, since I was a little kid. I was born and raised into this tradition. In 1986, I started practicing full-time as a curandera, and in 1998, I started teaching this tradition. As you can see, I had a lot of experience in practice because I still have my clients, and I work full-time as a curandera, but also I work full-time as a teacher. And now I can tell you that things have been changing in many ways, but changes are good. That's why this tradition has been kept alive. Other traditions have died, but this has been surviving because we have been adapting of what we have. And right now, I do believe it's a big, big blessing that we have all this technology and all this, that we can reach more people so they can learn curanderismo. Because what it is an ancient tradition to help you go back into balance. Balance of the physical body, the emotional, we call it emotional body, but it's emotions, the mental state. If you're too negative, there are exercises to go back to be positive and everything beautiful. So I will be teaching all that from my perspective, from my practice, from my experience. And the way that I do is I divide this in 4 parts. So let me explain to you what is each part. The first type of curanderismo will be self-help. And what I mean with this is when we are facing a lot of problems and we have a hard time, let's say that you're getting divorced, a loved one passed away, and you're facing all these situations that you feel you cannot handle, I will be helping you in teaching you different tools of how to improve yourself. There are many things that we have, like subconscious patterns inside that we don't know, and we act in this way, and we act in this way, and then it's like, I always attract these kind of people just because you're sending that message there. So the self-help curanderismo is for helping you improving inside yourself and outside with your loved ones, with your relations, with people that you work with and all that. That is the self-help curanderismo. The second type of curanderismo that I'm going to be teaching, I call it formulas and recipes. And this is the ABC, let's say, how to prepare a tea for respiratory ailments, how to prepare a tea for relaxing, how to prepare a salad that is going to have a lot of calcium for your bones and things like that. This is mostly a nutritional part of curanderismo. We call it sometimes in Mexico the naturopathic part, so natural medicine. So that is recipes and formulas. The third type is rituals and ceremonies. So this is the how to step by step things about, let's say, how do I lit a candle, how do I pray, how do I do a healing, how do I prepare a rock or a feather or things like that. This is more towards spirituality. The last type of curanderismo that I'm teaching is how to grow as a spiritual practitioner. So how to grow inside yourself so you can be a very good curandero or curandera or spiritual practitioner. Let me give you an example. A person that does the recipes and formulas that I was saying, let's say that you prepare a tea for relaxing. You put this amount of this amount of this other thing and all that, and you give it to the person. But if you're a very strong spiritual practitioner, you communicate with the spirits of each ingredient and you put all these energy force from the universe into that tea, so it make it way different, it make it way stronger. And that is the kind of curanderismo that personally I like the most, because the way it had worked for me, it doesn't matter what is going on in my life. Maybe something really terrible is happening, but I can keep myself calm and strong, and I can keep myself like, this is what I'm going to do, and I go and I do it. What I like about this is the combination of all of those. That's what I was going to say. What I like about this is it brings you in a way that you can live life in a very beautiful, peaceful, strong, healthy, abundant way, regardless of the people that are around you or the circumstances that are around you. So let's walk together in this beautiful journey. I hope I can see you soon in any of all these types of curanderismo that I'm teaching, or in all of them.